All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm Kalani, and this is the Ukulele Club channel. Right now, we're going to learn a very popular classic song called Stand By Me. So let's get right to it. Here is the song sheet right over here, and you can see all the chords we're going to use in the song right down below. Let's review them, and I'll show you in the overhead. Let's review. Let's start with the C chord, and then A minor. So these are both one finger chords, and then F and G7, and then back to C. All right, you guys, are you ready? Let's go over the song. I will call out the chords as we go. We're just going to go easy. I'll give you plenty of notice. Let's start with C. 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 bars, and then to A minor, and then to F for 1 and G7, back to C for 2. All right, let's do that again. 2 bars. No, A minor for 2, and now F for 1, D, G7. Stand by me. Now chorus, same thing. Darling, stand by me. Ooh, stand in the A minor to the F and G7 back to C. We're just strumming really easy. And darling, C major to A minor. 2, and then to F, to G7, back to C. All right, you guys, that's it. It's a very simple song. You can grab the song sheet from patreon.com/Kalani, and you can get all of these resources from Teachers Pay Teachers. Go there and look for the Ukulele Club multimedia resource. Video, audio, reproducibles. Great for teachers if you're teaching in classroom, elementary, or if you just want to learn a bunch of stuff yourself. You get video, you get play-along tracks, you get all kinds of stuff. It's so many things, I can't even remember all of them. To connect with me more, go to patreon.com/Kalani. You can download the PDF that you just saw. I'll put it with a post for patrons. Click the link below, and if you like this stuff, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And there's lots of other videos here, so hang out for a while. Check out what's here. Hit the bell so you get notifications. And thanks for dropping by the Ukulele Club channel. I appreciate it. I'm Kalani. I'll see you in another video. Enjoy playing Stand By Me.